everyone. I decided to sit down for the first part of this math lesson. I'm so glad you're here to do math again. Let's get started right away. I want to talk to you about when we do bundles of tallies. Each one of these sticks represents 1, 1, 2. You can show the number 1 with a lot of things, like I could show it with my Triceratops crayon, 1. I could show it with a horse crayon, 1. And when you get 10, you put them in a bundle and you put them in the tens position. And then when you get 10 of these bundles, like we have in my chart right here, 10 of these bundles, you would move them to the 100s position. That is the same with money. You got this paper the other day and we talked about it. It's the paper money exchange game. These are the directions. On the back is the game mat with the $1 place, the $10 place, and the $100 bill place. Place value only with paper money. If you roll and you get up to 10 $1 bills, then you can exchange that for a $10 bill. If you get 10 $10 bills, you can exchange that for a $100 bill when you play this game. I just wanted to review that so that you would remember to play that at home. All right. Do you guys remember our rocker balance or our pan balance? I'm going to try and get that so you can see the whole thing. There it is. I brought this home from school so we could use it today in our math lesson. I always like doing this. This is in our vocabulary words, we have things about our rocker balance. Let's look at our vocabulary up on the wall. When you are doing rocker balances, you're trying to balance things or weigh them and get the weight of them or make them level. All right, we'll also talk about calculators and number stories today. I sent home a pan balance paper for you. There's also one in your math workbook, but you can just do one with a pencil and a paper, or you can do one with your wipe-off board. All right, also you're going to need a calculator later in this lesson if you have one. If not, I have drawn a paper one up here that you can use with me. All right, let's go to our pan balance or rocker balance. Those two terms or labels for this mean the same thing. Well, to get started, I'm going to put something in here that will be constant weight. And I won't change this for a little bit. I am going to get some pennies out of my money cup. And I am going to put in, let's see, I am going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pennies. Now I'm going to put those in this cup. What is going to happen? Can you predict, using your best thinking, what's going to happen when I put 10 pennies in here? Is the cup going to go up and this one go down? Or is this cup going down and this cup coming up? Well, let's see. I think I know what your prediction is. Wow. You were right. When I put those 10 pennies in, that cup hit my table hard. All right, now I want to see how many baby bears that it takes to level this, to make these cups be the same. So I'm going to get my baby bears out. How many do you think it's going to take of baby bears to level this? I'm going to get a whole bunch of baby bears out here on the table. I'm going to predict 12 baby bears. What's your prediction? Oh, you might want to just jot that down on your board right now or your paper that you're predicting. 12 bears or whatever. I got a whole bunch out here. Count with me while I drop these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, think I estimated too high. 5. Oh my goodness. That's even a little bit heavy. 5 bears equal 8 pennies. They're almost the same weight because they make the pans level, the same height. All right. So I'm going to take those out and let's estimate how many of my new crayons that are dinosaur crayons it will take to level this out with the 10 pennies. It took 8 bears. Do you think it's going to be more or less? How many more? How many less? Or do you think it's going to be the equivalent of 5? The same. 5, equal amount. All right, let me get my dinosaurs here. There's my favorite, Brontosaurus. 1, 2, Stegosaurus, 3. Ooh, it's very close. And this is Tyrannosaurus. He might make it go all the way down. Ooh. So, just about 4. Let me take one out and see if it's closer to 3. I don't know, between 3 and 4. So it took less dinosaur crayons than baby bears. What does that mean? Does it mean that the dinosaurs are heavier or are they lighter? If it takes less of them. They're a little bit heavier than the baby bears. All right, now I'm going to see if my calculator is the same weight as 10 pennies. What do you think? Heavier or lighter? What's going to happen? Is this going to touch the table or is it going to level it? Let's look. Wow, that calculator is a lot heavier than pennies. I wonder just how many pennies it would take to level that. So let's see, we have 10 in there. This is completely touching the ground. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ooh, it's starting to come up. 26, 27. Ooh, it took 27 pennies to equal 1 calculator. Now, I'm going to take my constant away, and I'm going to start seeing if I can find 2 things that are about equal in weight. And I'm going to take my class microphone. I have that from our class friends. All right, I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to see if my carrot that I used for show and tell the other day, if that is the same as the microphone. What do you think, friends? I'll hold it in my hand. I'm going to think the microphone might be a little heavier, but let's find out. Here we go. I'll put it in this one. Oh, the microphone is heavier. All right. Let's see what I can find that will be the same weight as my carrot. I wonder if these 3 markers would be the same. Nope, the carrot's heavier than that. Won't do 3 markers. I wonder how many bears the carrot will take, the baby bears. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. It took 11 baby bears to be level with my carrots, so they are approximately almost the same weight. All right, that was a lot of fun. Okay, that is the rocker balance or the pan balance. Now let's talk about our calculator. I hope you remember doing the calculator the other day with me. This time we're going to do number stories with the calculator, and I'm going to have to stand up to do that so that I can use my paper calculator and my paper that says number stories with calculators. I'm going to move my chair back out of the way. Sorry for bouncing the computer a little bit. And I'm going to put my computer back up on my box so that you can see my boards up here a little bit better. All right, there we go. All right. Now we're going to do addition and subtraction. We're going to do a little review first from the other day. All right, there's the equal symbol, addition, subtraction, the on/clear key. Push that 2 times to get a 0 in your display window. All right, I'm going to need to back this up just a little bit. I'm going to need my markers in just a minute to write my numbers sentences from my number story. Let's do some addition. Clear to 0. All right, I hit that clear key 2 times. Clear, clear. All right, let's start with 1 plus 1, something super easy. 1 plus 1 equals. 1 plus 1 equals. Did you get a 2 like I did? Good job. Now, clear, 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 clear. Let's do something else. Are you ready? Let's do one of the doubles. Are you ready? 4 plus 4 equals. I'm going to do it on my calculator. 4 plus 4 equals. It's the doubles. 8. Good job. Clear, 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 clear. Now let's do something with a 2-digit number in. That's the first number, okay? Here we go. All right, let's push 1 0 for a 10 plus 1 0, another 10 equals. Well, we know 10, 20, so let me see. 1 0 plus 1 0 equals. I got 20 on there. I hope you did too. All right, now I'm going to clear and we're going to do some subtraction. We're going to do this one right there. That one little line, subtraction. Okay, are you ready? Press the 9, subtract, 1 equals. Subtract 1 equals. I have an 8. Do you have an 8? Good job. Now clear, 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 clear. All right, let's do 4, take away 2 equals. 4 take away 2 equals. Hey, that's 2. All right, clear, 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 clear. Now for our number story. Here I go. One day I went in my backyard. I saw 3 sparrows and 2 robins. How many birds did I see? All right, here we go. Press the 3 plus the 2 equals. 3 plus 2 equals. 3 plus 2 equals. Ooh, I got 5. That's right. Okay. 3 sparrows plus 2 robins equals 5 birds. All right. I saw 5 birds outside when I was in my yard. All right. Now let's do another one. Clear, 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 clear. All right. I went for a walk one day. I saw an anthill. Outside of the on the anthill were 6 ants. Then I looked and I saw some more walking. 3 more were coming along. So 6 plus 3 equals. 6 plus 3 equals. Did you get 9 like I did? Yay. 6 plus 3 equals 9. What were we talking about? Ants. Label, label, label. Don't forget to label. So you know what so people know what you're talking about. All right, let's do a little bit harder one. Are you ready? All right. Ready? There were 10 cottontail bunnies. 1 0 plus the mother bunny. 1 bunny equals 1 0 plus 1 equals 1 0 plus 1 equals 11 bunnies. All right, here we go. 10 plus 1 equals 11 bunnies. Little cottontail bunnies. All right, now we're going to do subtraction. Here we go. Clear, 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 clear. Ready? There were 8 ladybugs sitting on a leaf. 3 flew away. Subtract 3. 8 subtract 3 equals 8 subtract 3 equals. Did you get 5? Yes, there were 5 ladybugs. 8 ladybugs subtract 3 ladybugs equal 5 ladybugs. Hey, compound word, ladybugs. Let's do a little harder one about donuts. Are you ready? I bought 12 delicious donuts. I ate half a dozen donuts. I bought a dozen, ate half a dozen. Okay, 12, 1, 2. Take away 6 equals 1, 2. Take away 6 equals, still half a dozen donuts left. 6 donuts left. All right, 12. Take away 6 equals 6 donuts. Compound word again. Dough and nuts come together to make donuts. All right, friends, keep working hard. See you soon.